for coming today. Everyone has a dream, and so do I. Your dreams makes you stronger. Flo, would you like to talk about your dream?
Sure, I want to be a pilot, not only to do my favorite job, but also to cruise around the world. In fact, I have collected some fantastic model aircraft that remind me to accomplish my dream.
Wow, that sounds amazing! So, is there anything special about your model aircraft?
They are all produced by Rysun Company, the only model aircraft maker in Taiwan. The word RISE stands for our 4 key sales features: real models, individual design, service printing, and easy assembly.
First, we will start from company background. After that, we will show you our product features, which makes our aircraft so special. Then, we will talk about marketing strategy. And the last part is the conclusion of our presentation.
Let's start with company background. Rysun's founder, Mr. Cai Zhengkai, established the brand name Rysun in 1979. Before Rysun produced the model aircraft, they made plastic molds. After several years of effort and research, they finally built their first model aircraft, China Airlines 747. Although it was a bit rough, that small model kept their hope, helped their dream to rise.
Moreover, Rysun has produced more than 50 airline companies. All of the famous airlines in the world can be seen at Rysun. And now, let's see which 4 features makes our product so perfect. R-I-S-E, RISE.
Real models. Our product imitates real airplanes. Look, our wheels adopt the same structure as real wheels. So do the other details. As you can see, the turbine of this tiny model aircraft can also revolve, just like the huge real airplane.
Individual design. Nowadays, many people want to customize gifts and souvenirs, including the model aircraft. As long as you send us the pictures and patterns that you desire, we can transfer them on the model just for you.
Hi, I'm Lillian.
Hi, Lillian.
I have received the individual model that I requested last week. I sent it to my boyfriend, and he loved it so much.
Wow, it's good to hear that.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye. Let's see what's going on.
Hey, I have something for you.
Oh really? What is it?
Daniel.
Wow, it's my favorite soccer team. Cool.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Wow, isn't it romantic? Rysun's individual aircraft will be the most unique gift that you have ever given out.
Service printing. The surface of an airplane is irregular. Our company has developed a special printing technology. We can not only print anything smoothly, but also make it last forever. The plastic is easy for oxidation. However, Rysun's printing technology can prevent that. Even if a boy decades ago and is covered by dust, all you need to do is gently wipe it, and you will be like new.
Easy assembly. This is the most special features of our products, and the biggest difference between our models and those of our competitors. Every part and component can be dismantled, including the tails, the wings, and the turbine. Therefore, our models can be stored conveniently. In case of you moving or cleaning the house, you can always be disassembled and set it up easily.
So, those are 4 features making up the word RISE. Let Rysun make your dream rise. And want more information?
And now, let's talk about our marketing strategy. Before the exhibition day, you can visit our Facebook fan page. We will put our latest product information on it. Our unit price range is about $30 to $60 US. If you choose our advanced purchase option, we will offer you 10% discount. For example, an Airbus A350 aircraft is priced at $33 US, but after getting 10% off, it costs you $39 US only.
In addition, during the exhibition day, come to booth A. By taking pictures with our logo and sharing them on Facebook, you can participate in the drawing on the last day of the exhibition. The top prize is China Airlines medal! also set up an interactive area where you assemble the model aircraft by yourself.
To sum up, our product has 4 key features. Rise!
Real models. We will do our best to give you the most exquisite model aircraft.
Individual design. We can put all the patterns and pictures you want freshly on it.
Service printing. Our model aircraft will remain colorful until you become the grandfather.
And grandmother. Easy assembly. Don't worry, they will break into pieces. For you, can always rebuild it.
Now we have finished our conclusion. But Catherine, we haven't talked about our dream.
Oh, my dream. You see later.
Everyone has a dream. Some of them want to go abroad, no matter to study, to work, or travel. And I'm one of them.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world.
Now, I'm going to accomplish my dream, to travel the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board flight Ryzen 1221. We ask that you please fasten your seatbelt. The plane is going to take off. Thank you for choosing Ryzen 1221. Enjoy your flight.
करके गोल सीटी जाके बोल